Hey everyone, today I want to tell you about an official launch for iMovie Made Easy. It is finally available for anyone to go and check out. I'm super excited about that, so if you want to hear more about it, just keep on watching. Welcome to Shelly Saves the Day. On my channel, I do YouTube Explained Simply and video editing made easy. If that sounds good to you, make sure you like this video and subscribe. Would love to have you be part of the fam. We also have channel memberships, so special shout out to all of my channel members and especially my platinum ones. Thank you so much for being here and supporting this channel. So today, you guys, I want to talk to you about the official launch of iMovie Made Easy. I have been working on this. It's been an idea for 2 years. I've been working on it for several months, and I want to show you what it is that I've been working on for the last couple of months. So I hope you will indulge me on this because I am super excited to finally get this out into the world. And this is going to help you with your iMovie editing so that you can finally feel comfortable sharing what you love with the world. So please indulge me while I show you around my site. So if you go to iMovieMadeEasy.com, you will be greeted with this homepage. I am calling this the most complete and comprehensive video editing course on iMovie, and I do believe that to be true. So if you know of a course that has more content than mine, please let me know, and I guess I can update that tagline. It is taught by me, and here is the really cool thing. There is a giveaway also going on right now. So for the next 6 days, or 5 days when you see this video tomorrow, for anyone who purchases the course through the first week of it being available, I will select someone to win a $50 gift card to Amazon as a special thank you. So if you want to get in on that, make sure you check out the iMovie Made Easy course within the next 6 days. All right, so let me show you what you are going to get inside of here. I'm calling this the step-by-step guide to learning how to edit videos inside of iMovie, even if you have zero experience. I wanted this to be so that anybody can learn how to edit and feel comfortable with this, okay? So after you go through these modules, this is what you're gonna feel comfortable doing. So you'll know how to work with video clips, you'll know how to create and use overlays, you will feel comfortable with exporting your video for uploading, you'll know how to upload it to YouTube if that's what you wanna do with it, you'll be able to create custom animations, you'll learn how to manipulate audio, you will learn how to organize all of your media files correctly, or at least what I think is correct, and then you'll know how to work with titles that are both built into the program and creating your own, and how to use transitions and filters. And as you go through, I have made all of these sequential lessons, and the really cool thing is I'm going to be editing this project along with you, so you will get all of the same clips that I will be working with. You'll be able to download them to your computer and you'll be able to edit exactly like I am, which I think is a really great way to learn. And I've laid out all the steps in what I think is a really good order. Some of these video modules are pretty long, so I've also included a PDF that will give you timestamps for when certain things are being talked about so that you can use it as a reference guide to go back and look. Also included in this, I am giving you your very own animated subscribe button with an transparent background, which I did create, so you'll have that as well. It's the same one I sell in my Etsy shop, but you get it for free. So you're going to get a welcome. You're going to learn all about how to organize and do your prep work, including some resources that you can download and some great links that you can go to on the web. We'll have all about your timelines, all about your basic video edits, how to do jump cuts, how to do some zoom ins, how to actually work with audio, and that's either cutting to the beat, manipulating, removing audio, and speed ramping, all of that stuff. We're going to talk about color basics, so that's color grading. And we are going to then spend a bunch of time in overlays, and that is going to be talking about, transitions, titles, all of that stuff can also be part of the overlays section. We spend a lot of time working on that. Then we do an entire chapter on how to export and the settings that you would use, how to upload to YouTube, and then you get one last video assignment here. There's an additional lesson, this one's about 26 minutes long, about how to edit within iMovie on either iPadOS or on your phone, so iPhone OS. And so for anyone who's on iOS devices and you want to be able to learn how to do that, there are a few differences, but I've got you covered there. There's also, I've taken a whole bunch of my lessons from YouTube and I've recut them down to a shorter length, and I've put them here so you have one place where you can get all of these extra bonus lessons, and so I've done that for your convenience there. Then, like I said, you get the animated subscribe button, you get the whole entire 26-minute lesson on iOS, and you get a bunch of downloads, and that's like the batch shooting downloads, the keyboard shortcuts, all of that kind of information. I have put them in a downloadable file format for you. So you get all of this, and I'm super excited because I think at the end of going through this entire program and curriculum, you're going to feel pretty darn comfortable with knowing what you can do and learning how to edit, and then not letting that be the deterrent for why you're not on YouTube. I have been on YouTube for 4 years, and I think this is a really awesome way to kind of like celebrate everything that I've been teaching and showing you guys throughout the years. And I hope you guys really, really love it. And if you guys have been liking this channel and liking all of the tutorials I've given you over the years, I think that you're really also going to enjoy this entire video series. Once again, thank you to all of my channel members, especially my Platinum channel sponsor. I do want to say thank you. I appreciate you so much for helping me do what I love and sharing it with y'all. And if you guys have any other questions about iMovie Made Easy, make sure you drop it as a comment so I can respond to it and help you out with any questions that you have. And then if you didn't catch the announcement, we are going to be starting a live series starting in November. Do need some help with naming. I did a live video yesterday about that and what I should name it. So if you want to help me name it, you can check out that video for what I'm talking about. But the basic premise will be videos once a week, and for an hour, either talking about YouTube or doing talktorials, which is kind of a talking tutorial about either video editing apps that I'm doing or demonstrations on how to actually do video editing, whether that's Final Cut Pro, iMovie, or different video editing apps on the phone that I really, really enjoy using. So hopefully you will start tuning in for that. That's going to start in November, but I do need some help naming it. So hit me with some really great series names. I think the front runners were Thirsty Thursday Talktorials and Tips, Tricks, Talktorial Thursdays. So something like that. Help me out with a cool name, and leave that down as a comment. Otherwise, I will see you guys in a video very soon. Bye!